my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to delete message for everyone. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Click on group. We'll write message and try to delete it for everyone. Let's write something like hello. Now we will try to delete this message. Just press on message and click this sign. Click on delete for everyone. Now it's already deleted. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.